Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to split screen multitask on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open two applications that you plan to use in split screen mode. For this tutorial, let's say we're opening YouTube and Google Chrome. Go ahead and launch both of these apps one after the other. This ensures they're both running in the background and ready to be used in split screen view. Once you have both applications open, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the App Manager. This is where you can see all your recently used apps displayed as cards. The App Manager gives you a convenient overview of everything you currently have running on your device. Now locate the first app you want to use in split screen mode. In this case, we'll use YouTube. At the top of the YouTube app card, you'll see the app icon along with a small drop-down arrow. Tap on this drop-down to reveal additional options for that specific application. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options including App Info and Split Screen. Go ahead and tap on split screen. This action immediately moves YouTube to occupy the top half of your screen, and you'll notice the rest of your recent apps are still visible below. The split screen feature is incredibly useful when you need to reference multiple apps simultaneously or want to multitask more efficiently. Next, you need to select the second application you want to use alongside YouTube. Scroll through your recent apps and tap on Google Chrome. As soon as you select it, Chrome will automatically fill the bottom half of your screen. You now have both YouTube and Google Chrome running side by side in split screen mode, allowing you to browse the web while watching videos or easily switch between tasks without closing either app. And that's it. You've successfully set up split screen multitasking on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, making it much easier to handle multiple tasks at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.